Hey, I hope you had a great fall break and you're ready to get back to class and get started. So this week we're going to be working on our midterm exam. So I wanted to take a second and show you where those assignments are. So under course content, you'll have a folder that is called midterm exam. So if you'll open that up, in there you will see the objective portion of the midterm exam. So these are questions that were taken from the test bank that comes with the textbook. We skipped Chapter 6, the Soviet cinema in the 1920s. So there are no questions from Chapter 6. There will be questions from the other chapters, and they're listed on the syllabus, but I will go ahead and tell you what those are. So chapters 1 through 5, and then chapter 8. So those are the chapters that will be on the objective portion of the midterm exam. There is a question bank of about 200 questions, and the program will pull 70 questions from that, and each question will be worth 1 point. The exam is not timed. It will be open on the 11th, and it will, it's due on the 17th at 2:59, and that's Eastern time. So you want to make sure, because this is one of the textbook assignments, once that due date is passed, it's finished. So you want to make sure that you have time to complete this exam before the due date. The other thing that you need to complete as part of your midterm assessment is the midterm essay. There is a question for each of the movies that we have watched so far this semester. You only need to answer 2 of the questions. So read through the questions, pick the 2 that you like the most, answer those. Please do it in a Word document and then attach that to the assignment. So you would just come here, and then down here where it says browse my computer or cloud storage, click on that, open it, and then you can attach your assignment. Do not do it in Write My Submission, because if you do it here, this is live on Blackboard, and so if there's some sort of glitch, you'll lose your work. So please do your assignment in Word and then attach it through Browse My Computer. So that's really all I wanted to show you. So again, course content, scroll down, midterm exam, and both of the items are there. So after this week, we'll get back to watching our movies and discussing them. I have a new movie for France, for the French New Wave. Instead of Day for Night, we'll be watching a movie called Breathless. So I'll send out an announcement about that. But I just, again, real quick, wanted to show you where the exam was and kind of let you know what to expect. You can use your book, but my preference, of course, is that you would not try to find the answers online, is that you would actually take the exam the way a student should. So good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.